This facility produces over 100,000 lipsticks every single day.
The foundation of every lipstick is high-quality natural wax. The wax must melt at the perfect temperature to be stable.
Oils provide the shine and moisture essential for lipstick.
And raw pigments are the source of the lipstick's vibrant color.
Even a milligram difference can change the lipstick shade.
The pigments must be wetted by the oils before full processing.
Milling grinds the pigment down to a microscopic level.
The cluster. The texture must be silky smooth for a comfortable application.
Harder waxes are added to give the lipstick its structure.
Controlled heat turns the solid wax into a liquid carrier. The color paste is finally married with the wax base. Removing air bubbles prevents holes in the finished lipstick bullet.
A subtle fragrance is the signature of luxury lipstick.
Mica particles catch the light to create a frost finish.
The color must match the master sample exactly.
Adjustments are made by the trained eye of a colorist.
Filtration ensures the final lipstick is pure and clean.
Preheating the molds prevents flow lines on the lipstick. Precision nozzles fill the molds to the exact level.
Rapid cooling sets the lipstick into a solid shape.
The waxes harden to form the structure of the stick.
Scraping creates a clean base for the lipstick bullet.
The packaging components are fed into the assembly machine.
The twist mechanism is tested before assembly.
The naked lipstick bullets are revealed for the first time.
Soft touch robotics handle the delicate lipstick bullets.
The bullet must be firmly seated in the base.
Flaming removes minor imperfections and adds a high gloss shine.
Human inspectors catch defects that machines might miss.
The lipstick is wound down for protection. The cap protects the formula from drying out.
The bottom label identifies the specific shade name.
Every lipstick can be traced back to its original ingredients.
The retail box adds a layer of luxury and protection.
Cellophane wrapping ensures the product is brand new.
Weight checks confirm the box is not empty.
Lipsticks are packed in dozens for retail distribution.
Pallets are stacked high with thousands of units.
The lipstick must be strong enough not to break during use.
Stability testing simulates hot summer days.
The glide test ensures a smooth application on the lips.
Preservative systems keep the lipstick safe from bacteria.
Samples are kept for years to reference color consistency.
Thorough cleaning is required between different color runs.
Changeovers happen quickly to keep production moving.
The brand logo is printed directly onto the packaging.
Ng Estumis Preferring Warbition 4.
Liquid lipsticks require a different filling technology. The wand is the tool for precise application.
The factory also produces uncolored treatment bombs.
Waste reduction is a priority in modern manufacturing. Inventory is managed by a digital warehouse system.
The lipstick is ready to ship to beauty stores worldwide.
Merchandising helps the customer find their perfect shade. Swatching is the first step in the buying process. The result is a bold and beautiful color. Lipstick transforms the face and boosts confidence.
It takes a team of experts to create the perfect stick. From raw wax to a beauty icon.
Thanks for watching the full process of making lipstick.